In this video, we will discuss about question number 3, fourth one, exercise 3.2, pair of linear equations in two variables. What about this question? Form the pair of linear equations. Clear? For the following problems and find their solutions by substitution method. What about this one? We are having some problems. Already we completed 3 questions related to this one. So today in this class we will discuss about fourth question. We will form the pair of linear equations. Observe the question. The taxi charges in a city. Observe. What we want? Our task to form the pair of linear equation first. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. This is important situation. The taxi charges in a city consist a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. What is the meaning? The taxi charges in a city having fixed charge plus charge for the distance covered. Clear? Observe. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charge? What are the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer? Clear? So, what are the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer we want? So, first, whatever we want, we will assume. So, what about its solution? Let the fixed charge of taxi is what? Rupees X, we are assuming, and charge per kilometer and the charge per kilometer we are assuming rupees Y. So whatever we want, we assumed fixed charge is what? Rupees X, and charge per kilometer is what? Rupees Y. Both things we want, so we assumed it. According to question, as per question, some situations we are having. The taxi charges in the city consist of a fixed charge plus charge per kilometer. Whatever charge, taxi, in which we are having both fixed charge together with the charge per kilometer. Now one situation we are having, for a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105. For the 10 kilometers distance, we are paying what? 105 rupees. It means in which fixed charge plus charge per kilometers we are having. So what kilometers we traveled? 10 kilometers. So how we will write this situation? According to question, for the distance 10 kilometer, it means in which we are having whatever charge we paid, it is having what? Fixed charge plus charge per kilometer. So how we will write? Why we are writing like this? Because in the first sentence of this question we are having a fixed charge together with the charge per kilometer. So for this distance we can write fixed charge is what? X rupees plus 10 kilometer charge per kilometer. What is the charge per kilometer? Y. What kilometer traveled? 10 kilometer. So we can say 10 y equal to 105. Again observe how we are writing this equation. Observe, first situation we are having for a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 105. In this charge we are having fixed charge plus charge per kilometer. Why? In the first sentence of the question we are having the taxi charge in a city consists of fixed charge together with the charge per kilometer. Fixed charge. So we assumed fixed charge is x and charge per kilometer is y. Together we are paying what? Paid rupees 105. So we will write fixed charge plus charge per kilometer is y. So for the 10 kilometer charge will be the 10y. So x plus 10y together is what? 105 paid. Clear? Now next situation, and for a journey of 15 kilometer. Now for the journey of 15 kilometer the charge paid is rupees 155, in which also same we are having fixed charge plus charge per kilometer. So fixed charge is what? X plus charge per kilometer. It means y will be multiplied by 15 kilometer. We traveled 15 kilometer, so 15y. So this situation, for this situation charge paid is what? Rupees 155. So this will be what? Equation number 2. In this way we obtained or we formed the pair of linear equation. Equation number 2, 1 and 2 are pair of linear equations in two variables we obtained. Clear? Now from equation 1 x can be written as x equal to 105 minus 10y, and this is I am putting as equation number 3. Now we will put this value. From x, value of x from 3 to 2. We obtain this one from equation 1, so we will not substitute this value in the equation number 1. We will substitute in the equation number 2. Put x from equation 3 to, or we can substitute value of x from 3 to 2. So how we will write? Put x from equation 3 to equation 2. We obtain this one from the equation number 1, so we will not put in the equation number 1, we will put in the equation number 3. Observe, x is what? This one. What is the x? 105 minus 10y plus 15y equal to 155. What we are doing? We are putting the value of x, this one, in the equation number 2. At the place of the x we are putting 105 minus 10y. Then we are getting this one. Now solve. Minus 10y plus 15y. What we are getting? 5y. Now we are transposing this towards the right. 155 minus 105. Subtract this one. Solve this one. 5y will be 5 minus 5 0. 50. What we are getting? 50. So what about the value of y? Y will be 50 upon 5. Solve this one. 1 time, 10 time. So value of y we obtain 10. In this question, first we want to form pair of linear equations, then solution by using substitution method. So we obtained the pair of linear equations, we want the solution, so we are using substitution. This is what? Substitution method we are following. Now y equal to 10 we obtained. We will put this value in the equation number 3, then we can find value of x. Then put y equal to 10 in equation 3, then what we are getting? Y equal to 10 in equation number 3. Then what we are getting? X equal to 105 minus 10 into y. Y is what? 10. Solve this one. What we are getting? X equal to 105 minus 10 10 ja 100. So x equal to 5. So solution of these linear equations are what? X equal to 5 and y equal to 10. Clear? So till what are the fixed charge? Fixed charge is 5 rupees. Fixed charge is what? 5 rupees. We assumed x is what? Fixed charge. So what are the fixed charge? Fixed charge is 5 rupees and charge per kilometer is what? Y, and it is what? 10 rupees. So x equal to 5 rupees. So what we can say? We can write this thing how? So fixed charge, the fixed charge of taxi, fixed charge equal to rupees 5, and fixed charge is this one. Again I am writing. So fixed charge of taxi, fixed charge equal to what? Rupees 5, and charge per kilometer equal to what? Rupees 10. Both are the result. Till we showed what are the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer we obtained. Observe again how we are getting these things. First, as per situation, taxi charge in the city consists of fixed charge together with the charge for the distance. Now we are having situation for a distance of 10 kilometer. For the 10 kilometer charge paid is what? 105. It means in this charge fixed charge plus charge per kilometer included. So we can say x plus 10y for the 10 kilometer, x plus fixed charge together with the charge per kilometer. So charge per kilometer is a y multiplied by 10 plus fixed charge, and having what? 105. Similarly for the 15 kilometer, fixed charge plus 15y equal to this one. These are two pair of linear equations. Now we will solve these equations by using substitution method. So we are applying substitution method. So from equation number 1 we are solving for the x, then we will put this value of x from equation 3 to 2, then we are getting y equal to 10, and this is what? Charge per kilometer, rupees 10, and then we will put this value in the equation number 3, then we are getting x equal to 5, and this will be what? Fixed charge. So fixed charge is what? Rupees 5. Now after this one, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? For 25 kilometer, amount to be paid for traveling 25 kilometer. Observe simple things we want to calculate there. Observe carefully. What we want? Amount of the, observe, question is saying how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer. Amount to be paid for traveling 25 kilometer equal to, yes, what we require for traveling of 25 kilometer, how much amount to be paid? Amount to be paid for 25 for traveling 25 kilometer, fixed charge plus 25y, charge per kilometer is what? Y. So what kilometers we are traveling? 25 kilometers. So how we will write the equation? As per this situation, a taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charge together with the charge per kilometer. So first fixed charge is what? First we should write the fixed charge, and fixed charge is what? X. So X plus charge per kilometer is Y. So 25 kilometer we are traveling, 25y. Now put the values and solve. X is what? 5 plus Y is what? 10. Y is what? 10. 25 into 10. Solve this one. 5 plus 250. Finally what we are getting? We are getting 255 rupees. So what amount to be paid for the traveling 25 kilometer is what? Rupees 255. This will be the solution of this one. How much does a person have to pay for traveling over distance of 25 kilometer? It means how we will write the equation? Its equation will be what? Fixed charge X plus charge per kilometer. We are traveling 25 kilometers, so X plus 25y. Both values X and Y we are having. X equal to 5 and Y equal to 10. We will put in this equation and we will solve. Then we can find the values, or we can say amount to be paid for traveling 25 kilometer is what? Rupees 255. Clear? Simple question. Observe again. What about this question? In a city, taxi charge having fixed charge together with charge per kilometer. So first we should assume the fixed charge is what? X rupees, and charge per kilometer is what? Y rupees. Now two situations we are having, and we will form pair of linear equations for a distance of 10 kilometer. For the 10 kilometer, fixed charge plus 10y, X plus 10y equal to this one. It is given in the question, 105 rupees, 105 rupees. And for the 15 kilometers, X plus 15y equal to 155 rupees. Clear? These are two pair of linear equations. We will solve these equations by substitution method. Then we are finding the values of X and Y. So we obtained the fixed charge rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Now for the 25 kilometers, what amount to be paid for traveling 25 kilometers? So we will write fixed charge plus 25y, charge per kilometer. Then we will put the values of X and Y we obtained already and solve. Then we are getting for the 25 kilometers, once we travel, as per this rule, we have to pay rupees 255. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.